babies, and I'm back with another banger video. So today I will be surprising my auntie for her birthday. Say woo! Yeah! Everybody wish my auntie a happy birthday in the comments below. Everybody wish my auntie a happy birthday in the comments below. So currently I'm just trying to get everything together because my sister, I had ordered a cake yesterday, but I ain't had time to go pick it up. So I made my sister go pick it up since she already out. So she doing that. She getting the balloons and stuff like that. So I'm just sitting. I just hit my knee. Yes, I did. So my gift from her just came. I had already gave her the phone or whatever. I got her some money. I got her $100. Got her a Kurt Geiger purse. And that's what I got her. That's what I get. And I had got her iPhone 11. My sister had got her some good smelling perfume. This perfume smells so good, baby. It smells so good. She got her some perfume and she got her some clothes and stuff in these bags. My sister and stuff. And my sister got her some money and she got some perfume too. We got a cake. I'm gonna show y'all the cake, man. I'm gonna just write my auntie a little special note or whatever. Some little special. I'm just waiting till she come back home so I can surprise her. So we can surprise her. I should have got some flowers, but I'm trying to figure out how I'm gonna get some flowers delivered before they get back because DoorDash be taking too long. But mind you, she gotta go somewhere before. She gotta go somewhere even before, like, sometimes see how we're gonna do this. So whenever she come back, I'm gonna get back to y'all, okay? When she get home, cause she gone right now. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys. So that it finally made it home. You need to close your eyes. I guide you. Okay, come over this way. Okay, you guys. So she. Wait, you can open your eyes. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to brother. Happy birthday to you. How old are you?
37.
How old are you?
37.
How old are you?
37.
All right.
Okay, she finna open up y'all. Her gift, y'all. I'm gonna get back to you.
Date that my baby was born.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
like the cake.
She's
Okay.
now 37.
All right.
Give these to. She
Let's
37.
start first. Let's see.
Okay, she open them.
I don't want you want to open it.
Oh.
Y'all her stuff.
Thank you.
Mighty look.
Oh.
They're good. They're good. I said, ooh, baby.
Okay.
Oh, yes, baby. Smell too good. Go, boo.
Let's see.
Okay, peas. All right, peas.
Yes,
Oh,
ma'am.
I like these. Okay. All right now.
Might say you gonna get a cheese puff today.
You gonna get cheese puff? Oh, I like this Selena shirt. Oh, that's cute. I like this. Okay. That's all.
You got the right size of us.
Girl, yes.
Let
You get your little water. Let me see. Okay.
Got the smile, but he
Are you serious? Happy birthday, brother. I love you so much. I appreciate everything you do for me and the love and support you give. You a strong woman. I love you for that. Happy birthday. All right, old lady. Yeah. Oh. All right, now, Smitty. All right, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, Kurt. want the bowl. Okay, Kirk.
I had a biscuit coming like damn mouth. And this is my biscuit right there. They coming.
Balloon. Balloon. You love it? Like the balloons? Sweetie balloons?
Oh, I like this. Okay, Kirk Geiger.
Okay, Geiger with the Tiger.
This is cute. I like this.
I want them like your hand. You want like
Thank
today.
you.
You welcome.
I got the more birthdays.
Oh, yes. This is cute. Is this the bag you go in?
Uh-huh.
Okay. I like this. And then it can throw it on your shoulder. Oh, thank you.
You welcome. Thank
Thank you.
Okay, you guys. Okay, you guys. So we just surprised her. And thought she liked her gift.
Indeed.
And so make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, you guys. So we just surprised my auntie. I done ate some cake. Y'all can tell I'm full. I'm full. We just surprised her. I'm glad she happy. I'm glad I love to make my auntie happy. I love to make everybody happy. Like, I'm so ready to get rich. Like, y'all don't understand. I'm so ready to get rich. So I can actually surprise them. Like, I want to go stupid. Like, I want to go dumb. I want to surprise them with, like, Louis Vuitton. Like, I did that before. But I want to surprise them, like, with a car and stuff. Like, with no payments. Just strictly, you just drive. And stuff like that. I want to do stuff like that. But I'm so glad she appreciated the gifts. I knew she was going to love the gifts. But that is all for this video. So make sure you like, comment, hit that big red subscribe button. Give me 2,000 subscribers. And I'll see y'all in my next video. Peace. Look. Good cake? Cake good.